Stop scrolling. I always believed palm oil was the healthiest oil, especially for reducing fat buildup. It felt natural, traditional, and everyone around me used it confidently. But as I studied nutrition, I learned something important. Palm oil isn't the best oil for managing bad cholesterol. High saturated fat isn't heart safe. Why it matters? Palm oil contains a high amount of saturated fat. When used often, it can increase the LDL, that is, the bad cholesterol that blocks blood flow. Too much saturated fat can result to high level of LDL, which is the bad cholesterol. From egusi to banga soup, puff, akara, fried snacks, oil is everywhere in our daily meals. Daily meals are now full of oil. Whether it's oil or solid fat, your body processes both as fat. That is, oil or fat is equal to fat in your body. Healthier oils like olive oil and moderate use of groundnut oil are better for the heart. More unsaturated fat is equal to healthier heart. This doesn't mean you must completely stop palm oil. Just use it wisely and avoid overeating it. Many people only check their cholesterol when symptoms appear. That's why heart-related issues are rising. Prevention is cheaper than treatment. If you are confused about which cooking oil is best for your health, send me a DM now with the word oil and I will guide you personally for free. DM oil for free guidance.